Welcome to the Net Zero Regenerative Farm Project. I'm your host, Bob King. Thank you for taking the time to view my video, and please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon below this video to receive notification when the next video in this series is released. Farm product identification and selection, covering goat products. Goat products introduction and overview. Raising goats can be a moderate revenue generating stream for the farm. This presentation will cover what products can be derived from goats from the proverbial nose to tail. Identifying possible goat products is an important step in maximizing revenue from goats. This evaluation process needs to be done on a regular basis as changes in technology, processing techniques, environmental conditions, and customer tastes all change the products possible from goats and the revenue possibilities. This overview starts with the high-level breakdown of the goat types being used, then gradually refines the products from the whole animal down to the different parts possible from processing procedures. This overview also covers value-added processing products derived from taking goat products already processed and doing further processing by adding other ingredients and further processing steps to create new products. This will not cover whether you could or should use these products, or the sale processes, profitability, or detailed processing steps. Those details will be covered in the marketing section and other separate project plan presentations that follow. This will not cover the selection of different breeds or sizes, as that will also be covered in other separate project plan presentations that follow. The goat types covered: feeder goats, kids, wether kids, slaughter goats, kids, yearlings, wether kids, weanlings, nannies, and does, bucks and billies, wethers, replacement goats, nannies, does, bucks and billies. Direct sale of the whole animal: feeder goats, kids, wether kids, slaughter goats, kids, yearlings, wether kids, weanlings, nannies and does, bucks and billies, wethers, replacement goats, nannies, does, bucks and billies. The goat processing sections of the goat are primal cuts consist of goat carcass, leg, loin, forequarter, square cut shoulder, rack, tenderloin. Subprimal cuts are food service cuts and retail cuts. This is a picture of the goat cut locations. There's the ear area, the head area, the neck area, the shoulder area, the rib area, the breast area, the foreshank area, the knee area, the loin area, the flank area, the belly area, sirloin area, rump area, leg area, handshake area, and rear hock area. The goat processing retail loin cuts are tenderloin, loin chops, whole boneless loin, whole bone in saddle, bone and loin, goat loin Frenched rib rack, boneless loin tips, Philly steak from the loin. The goat processing retail flank cuts, flank steak. The goat processing retail belly cuts, goat bacon. Goat processing retail rump cuts, boneless kebabs, rump cuts, boneless rump roast. Goat processing retail leg cuts, whole boneless goat leg, whole bone-in goat leg. Goat processing retail head neck cuts, peeled head, neck roast, meaty neck bones. Goat processing retail shoulder cuts, boneless stew meat, bone-in stew meat, chuck shoulder roast. Goat processing retail rib cuts, short ribs, back ribs. Goat processing retail shank cuts, shank, osso buco shank steaks, bone-in stew meat, chuck shoulder roast. Goat processing retail other cuts, whole goat, half goat, whole goat yearling cut, tender, chevron, whole weanling cabrito, half weanling cabrito, goat tail, ground goat, trim meat, goat jerky, dog food. Goat processing retail organ offal cuts are, due to federal health regulations, brain, nerve tissue, and spinal cord products will not be considered in this list. Liver, heart. Goat processing other value-added products, goat jerky, goat burgers, soup bones, cheese, butter, yogurt, milk, hide, skin or leather, hair, as in cashmere, horns, and dog food. That's the end of the farm product identification and selection of goat products. Thank you for taking the time to view my video, and please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon below this video to receive notification when the next video in this series is released.